Welcome to this Arabic learning video. Today I will write with my hands simple Arabic words, as you can see, with their English meanings, and at the end we will use them to build a sentence together. So let's learn Arabic one word at a time. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters, to a new video to learn Arabic language. Today's class is going to be about family, al-aila. We're going to translate these 4 words into Arabic, and then we use them in a context so that you will never forget them. Are you ready? Let's go. So how to say in Arabic, my father? So father is ab. Alif and al-ba, ab. This is father. But if you want to say my father, we add the possessive adjective of Arabic, my, which is al-ya, okay? So we add al-ya here and it becomes abi, abi, my father, okay? Now we put the vowels, al-harakat, abi, my father. Repeat with me, abi. Good. How to say my mother? So mother, of course, is as most of you know already. This is mother. But my mother, now you know the rule, of course, we use the ya here. Ummi. We put the vowels, al-harakat, o. This is ummi. We need now a shadda to show a stress on al-mim. Ummi. Ummi. Yes. Brother is akh. Alif and kha. This is akh. But my brother, we add al-ya. Like the previous examples. And of course, the vowels. Akhi. Akhi. Yes. Now, how to say in Arabic, my sister? Sister is ukht. Ukht. Yeah, ukht. And then we add al-ya, of course, so that it becomes my sister. Ukhti. Ukhti. Yes, repeat with me. Ukhti. Yes. Abi. Yes. Ummi. Good. Akhi. Ukhti. That's great. Now how to say I love my family, my father, my mother, my brother, and my sister. Yeah, now we are going to express love. Okay, so we say in Arabic, uhibbu. Okay, uhibbu. Uhibbu, I love. Aila is family. Aila. But now we want to say my family. So ailati. So aila is family. Ailati, my family. What are these members of family? Abi, فاصلة, comma, أمي فاصلة أخي and و. You already know this. And in Arabic we say و. و أختي, my sister. Full stop. نقطة. Yes. Now let's read together. أحب عائلتي أبي أمي أخي وأختي. Now try to repeat the whole phrase. أحب عائلتي أبي أمي أخي وأختي. Perfect.